Hi everyone, my name is Sudaf and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you about nouns and tenses, so let's go on with the lesson. First, we're going to learn about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word that functions the name of some specific thing, such as living creatures, objects, places, actions, or ideas. We have two examples of noun, common noun and proper noun. First, we're going to learn about common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is the generic name for a person, place, or thing. Examples of common noun: dog, girl, country, father, and student. Common noun should be capitalized only in the beginning of a sentence. If it's in the middle or the end, it shouldn't be capitalized. Second thing we're going to learn about proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is a specific name for a particular person, place, or thing. Proper nouns are always capitalized in English, no matter where they fall in a sentence. Examples of proper noun are names, such as Mary, months, such as January, country, such as England, week, such as Sunday. Atlanta is one of my favorite places to visit. Atlanta is a name of a place, so it should be capitalized even if it's in the middle or the end of a sentence. Second example, we're going to play baseball in Prospect Park. Prospect Park is a name of a park, so it should be capitalized even if it's in the end of a sentence. Now we're going to learn the other tense, which is verbs. What is a verb? A verb is a word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence, and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence, such as hear, become, happen. We have two tenses of verbs. First is present, second is past. Now we're going to learn about present tense. What is present tense? Present tense is expressing an action that is currently going on or habitually performed or a fact. Examples of present tense are he, she, or it. When you find one of these words in a sentence and after it comes a verb, you will have to add s. Example: he goes to school every morning. She understands English. She enjoys playing the piano. Another word example of I, we, they, or you. When a verb comes after one of these words, you should not add s. Example: I or they go to school. You understand English. We enjoy playing the piano. Now we're going to learn about past tense. What is past tense? Past tense is expressing an action that has happened or a state that previously existed. Examples of past tense: I saw a movie yesterday. She washed her car. We went to the beach last week. Why do we call this past tense? Because they have done it a long time ago. They have already done it and it's already have ended. Example: I saw a movie yesterday. It happened yesterday, so they've already finished it. Or she washed her car. Washed, they put an ed. It means she've already washed her car and she've already finished washing it. It means it's in the past and she's already have done it. We went to the beach last week. Last week, it means a long time ago. Examples of words that you can use for past tense is like yesterday. Washed, you can use ed. Last week, and there are many more. Now we're going to learn about future tense. Future tense is expressing an action that has not yet happened or a state that does not yet exist. Examples of future tense: she'll write the email after lunch. She will write Will, right, it means she still hasn't done it. She will still do it later. Another example is, I'll see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. It means she still haven't saw her. She's still gonna see her tomorrow. Another example, I'll drive you to your lesson at 4 p.m. I'll drive you. It means I will drive you. He still haven't drives her or him. He will still drive her or him. When there's a will, the verb after it comes infinitive. You shouldn't add anything to the verb. Thank you everybody for watching my video. Please subscribe, put a thumbs up, and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload another video. Bye!